welcome to my channel. Today in our computer awareness part 2 we are going to discuss top 20 MCQ which are most important for your any upcoming examinations and competitive exams. So let's start. Question number 21. Built-in memory of computer is computer का built-in memory क्या होता है? That is option A ROM, B RAM, C hard disk and D system bus. The correct answer is option A ROM. Question number 22. Storage device found inside the computer is option A CD drive, option B DVD, RW read write, option C USB, option D hard disk. The correct answer is option D hard disk. Question number 23. A disk on which you put information is option A hard disk drive, B memory card, C data disk, D all of the above. The correct answer is option C data disk. Coming to question number 24. An example of a processing device would be इसमें से कौन सा प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस होगा? ऑप्शन ए स्पेशल फंक्शन कार्ड्स, बी डाटा बैंक, सी इंटरनल मेमोरी, डी नॉन ऑफ द अबव. द करेक्ट आंसर इज स्पेशल फंक्शन कार्ड्स, ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. द डैश indicates how much data a particular storage medium can hold. ऑप्शंस देख लेते हैं. स्टोरेज टाइप, कैपेसिटी, memory power, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, that is capacity. Of question number 26. A computer works on a dash number system. Options decimal, hexadecimal, binary and octal. These are number systems. So a computer works on a binary number system. Question number 27. A computer uses the dash system to process data. Decimal, binary, hexadecimal, octal. Of course, this is option B, binary system. Question number 30. A string of 8 zeros and ones is called a string of 8 zeros and ones is called a dash, nibble, beat, byte, none of the above. The correct answer is byte. सॉरी, ये थोड़ा सफल हो गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 पहले आना चाहिए था. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन ए कंप्यूटर इज स्टोर्ड एज इंफॉर्मेशन, बाइनरी, डिजिटल डाटा, none of the above. The correct answer is digital data because we work on a digital computer and it is stored as a digital data. Digital stored data. Question number 29. In the binary language, each letter of the alphabet, each number and each special character is made of a unique combination of dash bits. Options 8, 12, 10, 16. The correct answer is option A, 8. Coming to question number 31. ये थोड़ा सफल हो गया नंबरिंग में, sorry for that. A dash is approximately 1 billion bytes. Options gigabyte, megabyte, terabyte, petabyte. Option A is correct. Gigabyte is approximately 1 billion bytes. Question number 32. 1000 bytes is a megabyte, kilobyte, terabyte, none of the above. 1000 byte is a kilobyte, KB. Question number 33. Which one of the following is the second largest measurement of RAM? Options exabyte, petabyte, terabyte, gigabyte. The correct answer is option D, that is gigabyte. Question number 34. Copying computer program or software without permission of its author is called software dash. Options hacking, cracking, piracy, stealing. The correct answer is piracy. Software piracy. Question number 35. A dash backup contains a copy of every program, data and system file on a computer. Options A, normal, usual, full, half. Actually, option C, a full backup contains a copy of every program, data, and system file on a computer. Coming to question number 36, restarting a computer that is already on is referred to as dash booting, cold booting, hang, warm, none of the above. The correct answer is warm booting, that is restarting. Question number 37, correct descending order of memory is. Correct descending order, that means बड़े से छोटे तक आना. So options A is correct. Terabyte greater than gigabyte, greater than megabyte, greater than kilobyte, greater than byte, greater than bit. Question number 38. The primary purpose of software is to turn data into dash object, data file, database, information. The correct answer is information. Whatever we do in a computer with data, we finally get information. So in order to get information, we works on data. Question number 39. Keyboard keys that have arrows on them are called soft keys, command keys, navigation keys, all of the above. The correct answer is navigation keys. And the last question, ASCII, ABACDIC, and Unicode are examples of application software. Is it correct? True, false, either true or false, none of the above. The correct answer is false, because ASCII, ABACDIC and Unicode ये सब क्या होते हैं? ये सब कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, कैरेक्टर कोड होते हैं. Okay, with this we wind up today's session.